Go down. Put your pencil on the dot, Anaya. Huh. Go down. Make a big fat tummy. And cap it. Very good, Anaya. Give me high five. Good job. What number is this? What number is this? 5. What number is this?
5.
Yes. Now do again. Wait, Mohammed. I'll tell you. Go down. Yes, do it. This one. Go down. Make a big fat tummy. And cap it. Very good. What number is this? What number is this? 5. Yes. Now the other one. Do the other one. Yes. Go down. Make a big fat tummy. Cap it. It's too big, but it's okay. Try to write small number. Okay, Anaya? Now do this one. हाँ, box के अंदर लिखेंगे. Okay, don't go out from the box. Very good, Anaya. Good job. I love it. Mashallah. Say Alhamdulillah.